A few hours south from my Merida base, past Felipe Carrillo Puerto, you'll hit Bacalar, this enchanting town wrapped around the Lagoon of Seven Colors, where the water shifts from turquoise to deep blue, like something out of a dream. I've driven down there once, kayaking across that crystal clear freshwater and chilling on a dock with a cold michelada as the sun set. If you're an expat chasing affordable nature vibes without the Playa del Carmen hustle, Bacalar might hook you with its eco-charm and low costs, but it's still developing, so it's not for those needing big city conveniences. Welcome to Real Expat Finance, practical budgets and relocation plans for Americans and Canadians moving south safely and affordably. Today I'm sharing an honest guide to Bacalar in 2026, why this Quintana Roo lagoon town feels like a magical retreat, its real costs, safety, and if it's ready for long-term expat living. Bacalar revolves around its stunning 26-mile-long lagoon. Fed by underground lagoons, it's a freshwater wonder, perfect for swimming, SUP boarding, or boat tours spotting stromatolites, ancient rock formations. The town itself is small, about 12,000 people, with a colorful centro featuring street art, markets, and eateries serving fresh ceviche or Yucatan-style grilled fish. Activities lean eco, sailing to Bird Island for herons and egrets, exploring Fort San Felipe, an old pirate defense museum, or hiking in nearby jungles. It's relaxed. Think hammocks swinging over the water at eco resorts, bioluminescent night swims in season, and a growing art scene without overwhelming tourism yet. Compared to coastal spots like Tulum, about 45 minutes north, Bacalar feels fresher and less commercial, more local flavor, fewer crowds, but you're still close to beaches for day trips. I own property in Merida, and Bacalar is my pick for a serene getaway, though I've seen expats settle here for the lagoon lifestyle at a fraction of Riviera prices. Rent varies by side. On the touristy east, lagoon views, expect $400 to $600 for a 1 to 2 bedroom apartment or bungalow. West side, more local, drops to $300 to $500, often with quieter streets. Groceries and daily costs stay budget friendly, with local markets keeping things fresh. On my trip, I spent around $200 to $300 a month on food, lagoon caught fish, tropical fruits, and market staples without heavy imports. Healthcare is accessible, but scaled for a growing town. Bacalar has 3 small hospitals like Centro de Salud for basics like checkups, $20 to $40, with some English-speaking staff. For specialists or emergencies, expats head to Chetumal, 30 minutes south, where modern private hospitals offer visits for $30 to $50 and quality care at a third of US prices. Residents can join the affordable public IMSS system for everyday needs, plus international insurance for extras. It's not as robust as Merida's options, but the proximity to Chetumal makes it practical, and the clean air and active lifestyle here might keep you healthier overall. Safety is a strong suit. Quintana Roo's interior towns like Bacalar rank high for low crime, with a peaceful community feel. I've felt secure kayaking solo or walking the centro at night. Petty theft is the main concern in tourist areas, but it's far safer than media hype suggests. Stick to well-lit spots and you're good. The lifestyle suits nature lovers and retirees. Dawn lagoon paddles, afternoons at lagoons, evenings with craft beer at lakeside bars. Remote work is feasible with improving internet, and the growing expat community adds social vibes without overwhelming the local Mayan roots. Summers are hot and humid, AC essential, and it's still somewhat remote. Great for unplugging, but plan trips to Chetumal or Tulum for bigger shopping or flights. Here's my realistic monthly budget for a single person in 2026 living comfortably in Bacalar. All in US dollars approximate, based on what I've seen in recent expat reports. Rent, $300 to $600 for a 1 to 2 bedroom, local side or lagoon view. Utilities, electricity, water, internet, gas, $80 to $130, a C bumps it in heat. Groceries and household, $200 to $300, fresh local eats. Dining out and entertainment, $100 to $200, lagoon tours and casual spots. Transportation, $50 to $90, walkable / bikes, buses to Chetumal. Total monthly, $850 to $1,400 for lagoon life, often $200 to $400 less than Tulum equivalents. Finance tip: the affordability here frees up cash flow. That extra $300 plus every month can go straight into investments, turning your lagoon paradise into a savvy financial haven instead of just a scenic spot. If this guide to Bacalar's 7-color magic got you dreaming of Quintana Roo, hit like and subscribe. Next up, we'll explore more Yucatan beaches. Comment below, does Bacalar's freshwater lagoon sound like your expat ideal or too remote? I'll reply. Thanks for watching Real Expat Finance, safe travels, and smarter moves.